If you're a data analyst, you've probably done this hundreds of times. Download a CSV from an ad platform or any other tool. Clean it up, paste it into a sheet, and build the same report every Monday. Again and again. The cloud SaaS tools out there, either too expensive, too complex, not compliant with your company regulations, or require help from data engineers that you don't have access to. OWOX Data Marts is different. First, it's free. It's an open source library of JavaScript connectors you can run into Google Sheets or Google Cloud. No third-party SaaS, no vendor lock-in, and no credentials shared with anybody else. Pull data from Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, Pages, X, Reddit, TikTok, Microsoft, and much more. Customize fields with an easy UI. Surprise, surprise, it's Google Sheets UI. Tweak the connector using AppScript if needed. Schedule it, automate it. Use it in your reporting workflow and own the whole process. We are live on Product Hunt right now. Try it out, start our repo, join our community, and tell us what connector you want next in the issues. Let's build something useful for all of the data folks together.